firefly without a light?
No!
There's always a light if there's a firefly, correct? But with my story that I'm going to share to you, this is a story of a firefly. He is a lightless, no light. Okay? So the title of the story is Dindo, the Lightless Firefly. When darkness falls, the fireflies light up the garden's beauty. In their small, fascinating world, everyone knew the children of Don Fuego and Doña Luz. And the children of Don Fuego and Doña Luz, the name of the eldest is Silao, because his light is so bright. Okay? And the next one is Sina. And Sina's beam was as straight as a flashlight. And the last one is Kutitap. Kutitap's light had many colors. That's Kutitap. Okay. And then everyone is so excited about this youngest to be born. And they said, the youngest might be having many lights. Or maybe the youngest would have a color in his wings. But suddenly, when the egg hatched, they saw a firefly without a light. No light. Hello. And the eldest said, "What? A firefly who didn't go?" And Don Fuego announced, "Ladies and gentlemen, I shall name him Dindo." What is the name of the firefly?
Dindo!
And Sinag said, Dindo who didn't glow? Who didn't glow? And Kutitap said, what kind of firefly is he? And the mother said, Doña Luz, he is unique just like the rest of us. And the father said, Don Fuego, and don't be shy, to go out to the other fireflies. Soon, Dindo felt ashamed when he grew up because he don't have any light. And Dindo said, Mother, am I really special? And the mother said, yes, my son. We are all special. And you are unique because you have no light. And the father said, okay, you can go out with other fireflies and then you will see your real glow. So the following evening, Dindo followed his brothers and sister to search his real glow. Where's Kuya Sina? Kuya Sina! I want to help you to light up Lando's house. Can I? And Silao said, no! Only my light is perfect for that place. Go, Brother Sina. And then, Kuya Sina. Where's Kuya Sina? Kuya Sina! I also want to help you find Miss Mariposa's necklace. Can I? And Sinag said, no! Only my light can guide the fair lady. Go, Mother Kutitap. Kutitap. Where's Kutitap? Kutitap. Kutitap. I also want to help you living up the Maguts party. But Kutitap said, no! Don't bother. I wonder how I can find my real glow. But suddenly, he's not gone too far when he heard Kutitap's piercing scream. He heard, where's my brothers and my sister? And then he went to Lando's aunt's house. It's not. My boss's necklace was found. And Kutitap, the Magus party is silent. Where are they? He looked around and he found a giant bottle. And inside that bottle, it's his brothers and sisters. And he saw other fireflies hiding under a big leaf. And everyone was so scared and nobody dared to go near the bottle. And Dindo said, if they will try to save the fireflies, the boy will catch them too. To everyone's surprise, Dindo flew towards the giant bottle. And then he kicked. And then he punched. And then he tore his way through the bottle's paper cover. Brothers and sisters, out. And everyone, one by one, they escaped. And because they escaped, they see the boy saw the light. The boy wanted to catch them again. And suddenly, a glowing figure in the shape of a ghost appeared beside the boy. And the boy, so afraid, he ran away. And then, those fireflies that formed into ghosts, they broke into laughter. And now, the siblings of Dindo gathered around him and then said, Dindo, thanks a lot, for saving us. We're really sorry for looking down on you. You are really special. And for the first time, Dindo saw a different light in the garden, and Dindo finally found his real glow. The end.